Hello and welcome to MahindraGuru.com. This is our official YouTube channel where I am back with the new session of tips and tricks of one of the topic of the subject reasoning. Today we are going to discuss tips and tricks of very interesting topic machine input. And as machine input you can see on the screen, with that a word is attached to it, advance. And this advance means the question which we are taking today for the discussion part will be a great help to you all for cracking the examination or attempting a question of machine input in the upcoming examinations. But before moving to that part, let's discuss about our YouTube channel also. YouTube channel subscription is a mandatory process for you all viewers, because if you are viewing our videos, if you are seeing our videos, if you are liking our videos, you have to subscribe our YouTube channel so that you can get all the easy access of the videos, clips and informations provided from MahindraGuru.com websites. So if we are providing you all the informations from the way of videos, clips and all, you have to subscribe this YouTube channel. The new viewers, just click on this subscription button and become our subscribed viewer. Moving further with the question part, as I have said, today I will be taking a new type of question, or I can say a complicated kind of question by viewing a candidate assumes that this question is complicated or it is a looking very fussy kind of question, because here every word, everything, every particular part given in the question seems to be a great confusion on your eyesight, right? So, but if we are discussing here, the questions will be easy, questions will be simple, and in the examination, reasoning is only the test of your decision making. Reasoning is only the test of your mental ability, how prompt you are for attempting the questions. So, if this kind of question arises in the examination, don't worry about that. Just be clear with the points which I will be discussing today in this session part. First of all, instruction given before the question or instruction given before the input arrangement is as same as always. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. Right? Now, after this instruction, after this tagline, then the input given will be your viewing part next. Then you have to understand what is given in the input. Now here, if we look over the input, we are having only words, right? But a mixture of words. Mixture of words means vowels and consonants are mixed over here. We can't say that these whole input content is consonant or these whole input content is vowel. Vowels and consonants are mixed, and now this is the complicated part, because you will be now thinking what to do, how to attempt, how to solve, as this question very tricky form, but it is very easy, as you will be getting all the points if after seeing the input, after viewing the input, you will directly jump to the last step, because this is the process to study whole input. You have to study the input, then last step, then step number 1, because by taking last step you get all the points, pattern arrangement, ascending or descending, and then after that taking step number 1 you get the movement pattern, movement style. That means movement is left to right or movement is right to left. But here if we see, in input words is given and in last step numbers is given. No problem, leave the number step. Just remember 2 number steps are there in this input arrangement. So further when we will solve one input arrangement, there also we have to get 2 number steps at the last. This you have to remember, right? Now from the input part, if we consider the last step, we can consider 6th step as our last step for getting the point. Arrangement is ascending or arrangement is descending. So if we consider step number 6, so from taking step number 6, we can see shuffling arrangement is going on, something like shuffling, shifting, or we can say one this side, confusion. Let's look over the arrangement part, step part, what is written over here. In input, we have been given sheep, 1, right, while, try, less, again, unit is just, fry, beware, that means consonants, vowels, mixture, right? Coming to step number 6. In step number 6, it is given, try, right, just, beware. Something clear, because these are consonant starting letter words, right? And they are that too in descending format, clear? Try, T, right, R, just, J, beware, B. These all are in descending format, clear? But after this beware, again 1 again is unit, vowels. Then after that vowels, fry, less, said, while, that means again consonants. That means consonants were started arranging in descending order, but then came vowels and then consonants ascending order. Mixture of ascending and descending. No problem. We'll directly go to step number 1. In step number 1, we just have to rectify left hand side we have done the first arrangement or right hand side we have done the first arrangement. And if we can see over here in step number 1, two-way arrangement have been made. Two-way arrangement means on the left hand side also and on the right hand side also. That means in step number 1 we are arranging again on left hand side and is arranging on the right hand side. And this again and is, what is the relation between again and is? If by vocabulary or word power we say no relation, but yes, again and is starting from vowels. That means these words are starting from vowels. Again from A and is from I. That means this can be made a relation which can be followed further, right? Now in step number 2, it is very much clear now. Again is shifting inside, 1 is arranging on the left hand side again. Then here is shifting inside and unit is arranging after is. That means we can now understand a point. Shuffling, shifting arrangement made between the words, right? Now one word was put over the left position, one word was placed at the right position. Now one word placed as the left position, then one at the right position, then they are shifting inside. Inside means very clear point you can remember. On the left hand side, we are placing all the words on the left hand side. Hear it very clearly. When we are arranging any word at left hand side, we will arrange other word also to its left hand side. That means against left 1, then one's left beware, then beware's left just. Clear? And right hand side, everything right hand side. That means here also outside, here also outside. All the arrangements are to be done outside the given pattern, and all the leftovers will be coming shifting inside till they don't get arranged itself. Now first of all we have arranged all the vowels. That means again on this side, is on this side, then again and in shifting, one this side, unit that side. Then after that in step number 3, if we talk about, in step number 3 we have taken a consonant. Consonant beware, right? Beware. Again see, vowels were also arranging from lowest to largest. That means again is one unit, right? A, I, O, U. Consonants will be also in the same order. Beware this side, after beware there, fry, then just this side, then less that side, then right this side, then S said that side, then try this side, then while that side. That means if we take all the consonants together, this format is B, F, J, L, R, S, T, W. That means all words also starting from consonants arranging in ascending order but shifting, shuffling to left hand side and right hand side. Very clearly remember this point. Auto arrangement if occurs, then there is a problem to count the steps, but here we are not getting any auto arrangement because we are arranging each and every word, each and every particular element, one to left hand side, one to right hand side. Now if you get all the points how we are getting till step number 6, after coming to step number 6, coming to step number 7, making a clear sense, try has been denoted by 20, right has been denoted by 18, just to 10, beware 2, 1, 15, again 1, is 9 and so on. And what is the relation over here? The place values. Yes, the place values part. Tries T's place value is 20, writes R's place value 18, just J place value 10, beware B's place value 2. That means words first letter is helping us to arrange them as consonant, vowel, ascending, descending also, and also these words first letter are making to convert us step number 6 to step number 7 by their place values replacements. Then after step number 7, in step number 8, we are just arranging that number values in descending order. That means the highest number to be placed this side and lowest number to be placed that side. Right? Now this was the arrangement which we have studied, which we have understood, and now further going to the question part, you will be getting a new input, and for that new input the questions would be asked in bunch itself. Bunch means according to one input arrangement you have to solve minimum 3, maximum 5 questions, and today we are discussing this one pattern arrangement, so we will discuss the bunch questions too asked for this pattern arrangement. You might have understood what the pattern was going on, how the words were going on, how the words were arranging, and how you are able to solve or crack this. Because see, one thing, keep it very clear, patterns, arrangements of words and numbers will always be ascending or descending, but they can be from this side, from that side, or any side. Don't get confused ki one ascending, one descending, then descending, then jumping here, then jumping there. No. You have to be very clear with all the points. Pattern will always be either ascending, pattern will always be either descending, but it can be from left, from right, but in an order. Right? Here also we have followed one order. First of all, we were arranging all the vowels in ascending format, then we were arranging all the consonants in ascending format, right? And then shifting here and there, here and there, here and there. And then we got one this side, one that side, one this side, one that side, right? So now if we look upon the next question asked, so again the instruction part would be for the question, as per the rules followed in the above steps, find out in each of the following questions the appropriate step for the given input, right? So now a new input has been given, and if we count over, again we have been given 4 vowels and 8 consonants. Now if we have given 4 vowels and 8 consonants, so definitely if 4 vowels, 8 consonants, now run beyond your mind. You don't have to apply, don't have to solve each and every question on paper and pen. You can do it orally, verbally also. Just calculate it in your mind. 4 vowels have to be arranged, 8 consonants has to be arranged, and 2 number steps required, right? Because as we have seen in this previous example, these 2 mandatory number steps has to be produced after arranging the whole arrangement, right? So now if we are calculating it mentally, so mentally calculating 4 vowels to be arranged. 4 vowels means in, and, east, and on. These 4 vowels has to be arranged. And 2 vowels to be arranged in one step, then 2 vowels to be arranged in other step. And this is clearly not an auto arrangement part, because no word is arranging from inside. All the words are to be arranged from outside. That means one to the left, other to the right. And when one to the left and other to the right, and in next step also, one to be taken at left, one to be taken at right, these previously arranged words are shifting inside and new words are arranging outside. So it is not forming an auto arrangement parts, right? So if we are counting this and we are doing this orally, answer will always be coming right only. Okay, so we have 4 vowels and 8 consonants in this given input, right? 4 vowels would be requiring 2 steps to be arranged, 2 at a time, right? 4 vowels in 2 steps and 8 consonants in, yes, 4 steps. 4 vowels in 2 steps, 8 consonants in 4 steps, right? Because as previous also, you will be needing to look at the question once again. So we'll look it over once again. In each and every step, we have done this only. In one step, 2 vowels, then other step, 2 vowels, then 2 consonants, then 2 consonants, right? So if we are having in this question 4 vowels and 8 consonants, the 4 vowels will be taking 2 steps, 8 vowels will be taking 4 steps, right? So first question asked to us would be this only: how many steps would be needed to complete the arrangement? How many steps would be needed to complete the arrangement? Right? 2 steps for arranging vowels, 4 steps for arranging consonants. This is not the end, because we want 2 number steps also. One, their place value replacement, and other, that to be arranged in descending order. That means 2 steps more. That means 2 plus 4 plus 2. 8 steps will be the answer. See, directly we got the answer. We don't have to arrange every time each and every step. Every time we don't have to use pen and paper for getting the answers. Directly also you can get the answer as well. Right? So for this first question, answer is option number 3, 8. Looking over to the next question, if we look upon, in the next question we have been asked, in step number 6, which of the following word or number would be on the 8th position from the right? Right? In step number 6, which of the following element would be on the 8th position from right? That means from this side if we have to calculate, right? Now we will be requiring the input part, because from input only we have to arrange all these words, and then we have to calculate from right to 8th position. Now see, still taking step number 6, we can directly take step number 6, because again remembering the point, step number 7 and step number 8 were the number arrangements, right? So step number 6 would be the final arrangement for these words. So if step number 6 is the final arrangement for these words, we can just directly make a step number 6 and then we can look over the question option part, right? So if we are making only step number 6, only step number 6 means 4 vowels inside, right? 4 vowels inside, 4 vowels to be here placed, 4 consonants to be here placed, and 4 consonants to be here placed, because this was the actually format, and this was the actually format. Then directly we are able to count here or not, right? I think you must be getting the point, because I am doing this question directly for you all, because by understanding this direct method, you will be able to understand the previous input which we have taken. This was going the same arrangement part in the step number 6. 4 vowels to be arranged in between, 4 consonants this side and 4 consonants that side. If we directly count upon 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means 5, 6, 7, 8, because we were requiring 8th element from right hand. 8th element from right hand, that means we require this vowel arrangement part. So we don't have to make whole step 6 also. And if we don't have to make whole step 6 also, we can do it like this. Vowels are arranged here, right? And if we have started from starting, here vowels A, then E, then I, then O. This was actually the ascending order format for taking, yes, and these words when arranged shifted inside and other word placed outside their range. So if we count over here vowel arrangement part, we would be getting here would have been A, C. Now sitting at home, you have to solve this question and tally your answer, because I am giving you the direct method to get the answer, but you have to apply it first on the whole process, and then you have to check, and then you can also implement this kind of method for getting the answer. A has to be here, E has to be here, I here, and O here, right? So if counting from right hand side, we are getting 8th element as I. I means a word starting from the letter I, and word starting from the letter I means option number 5 in would be our answer, right? So this was actually the answer for this question. Now candidates viewing this video, don't get confused, because the solution part is totally yours. You have to understand the pattern which I have told you. We are taking vowel consonants arrangement, shuffling, shifting left hand side, taking the from the ascending part, first arranging all the vowels, then arranging all the consonants, and then. So for getting this answer, for checking this answer, whether this answer is correct or wrong, you have to solve this question at home with me too. Fine. So if we move for the next question, we have been asked, which of the following would be the final arrangement? Final arrangement means last arrangement, and last arrangement means, yes, the number converted arrangement and numbers that to place values arranged in descending format. So first of all, you have to arrange that 4 consonants, then 4 vowels, then 4 consonants, right? And then you have to turn into numbers and then arrange into a descending order, and then you have to get which is the last step. So this you might be able to do it, because till now you all must have solved this question sitting at your homes on your paper and using your pen, right? So you must have solved this question. So this answer is your assignment. You have to get the answer for this question. Which of the following would be the final arrangement? See, this is actually the pattern only. I am giving you questions. You have to solve all the questions sitting at home. I am discussing with you the pattern part, and then you have to get all the answers. Options has been provided to you. You just have to tally it once. Whether option number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, none of these. Yes, it also can be the answer. Don't think the answer will always be in the number part also. Answer can be none of these also, right? So you have to check it once and you have to find the answer for this. And with this, I end the session today, leaving this question for you all to get the answers by yourself by solving this whole method, because machine input is a vast pattern arrangement. Many arrangements are there, many patterns are there. Just you have to tally it once, just you have to get it once, and you get all the answers itself directly if it is possible, because machine input is one of the scoring topic too. So I end up this session today again by discussing about the websites and channel, because as we are sharing all the informations, videos and clips through mahindraguru.com website, YouTube channels, videos, Facebook pages, Instagram pe we are providing you free study materials, and at your MG app you are getting all your notification alerts. So you have to be very much internet active so that you can avail all our informations and all your requirements can be fulfilled by this. With this, I end up today just saying you thank you. Your success is our success.